Hey, sixth graders, if you're still wondering how you should be completing your assignment for today or what you should be doing, we are working on our measurement lab. So here it is. You're going to click on My Document. You can click Edit if you want to make it into a different tab and make it a little bit bigger, or you can work on it right here in Schoology. What we are doing is we are going to do some measuring of objects using a scale that we get to choose. So for example, I said, the question is, what is the best tool of measurement to measure? And I said, my bed. So I can make some observations about what's going on, my bed, different lengths of it, how it compares to different things. And then you can say, and then you're going to say, I think blank is the best tool of measurement because, and then you're going to tell me why you think it's the best tool of measurement. In the data page, in the data section, you're going to measure something. So in this case, I'd be measuring my bed using the tool of measurement that I decide. So if I want to use my foot or if I want to use a shoe, I get to pick the tool of measurement that I want, and I'm going to record how long my bed is using that tool. Make sure you include what your tool is so that I know what your unit is, what unit you're using to measure. In your conclusion, you are going to answer each of these little questions here to give me a little wrap up about what you learned. So what did you do in the lab? I measured my bed using my shoe. Was my hypothesis correct or incorrect? What was and why? What were some possible errors? And how would this help me in real life? So what is that real life connection? As always, if you have any questions, you can always come back to Schoology, send a message to your teacher, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day. Bye.